just a quick intro while our travel bit runs. So I'm Ed from the PTFAA. This is our first boat trip of the year. I'm sorry about the recording. It's my first time wearing a body cam. Um, yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the video. It's not as long as I hoped it would. We didn't catch a massive amount. I didn't record any dogfish because everyone sees them year round, so I thought I'll ignore that one for now. A couple of rays, a couple of big congers. Yeah, I've got pictures attached if anyone wants to see them. Just hope you enjoy. Again, sorry about the quality. First time uploading, first time editing. Thank you. There's not much tide left here, so I don't want to start turning around a little bit. I don't think we're going to. I'm gonna go for any squid, whatever. Some more squid out. Always good. Got to catch you some dinner. You got nothing left in you. Ooh. Ooh. Alrighty. Like that, look. So it goes nice and slack and then it tightens. So that lead's not bang, bang, bang. We're along our area. Fucking. Yeah. It'd be gone now. Ooh. Nice. camera rolling.
Come on, Ed, get your video on.
Get the video on.
What do you reckon, a rear?
I reckon a Ray, yeah. Sitting fucking heavy, innit?
That's just your massive lead.
No, I ain't got that lead on anymore. He took it off. Didn't need it on no more.
No. This is how you milk it, Gary.
Yeah. Ah, it's a dogfish.
Yeah. There's the lead. Ray!
Oh, we got nice Ray. Ray! Uncle Ray Ray.
Yeah, just leave it there, Lenny's getting the net.
He's getting a net, Dad. Well done. There we go.
Nice.
What net?
He's
The net to scoop up then.
Yeah, where,
he's getting it now.
Wait a minute.
before he goes.
It ain't going anywhere.
There we go.
Is that the same type of ray?
That's a female though, isn't it? Oh, little Mel.
Little pecker.
Little Mel with his little pecker. Unfortunately, a lot of the clips, I think my microphone must have died while recording. That's my fault, amateur mistake. So it's definitely not as long as I hoped it was going to be. But that'll be the video for now. I'll just leave you with the clip of me fishing, and I'll put a little outro to it. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe and all that jazz. Thank you.